Right, chapter 3, this is probably the final chapter I need to know, so we move. So, chapter 3, simultaneous equations, plus 2b equals, let's just say 7, and then a plus b equals 3. So what you do here is, you times this, okay, let's just label them. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Step 1, you try and get rid of one of the values. So in this case I choose to get rid of the value b. So to get rid of the value b, what you do is you would do that, and that would give you the value of the first equation, which is equation 1, and then equation 2 you would times by 2. You would times the whole equation by 2. There we go, and then you get the beautiful answer, a equals 1. Class. And then you substitute that 1 back into this equation because it's easier, and you get b equals 2. So that is a very simple start to this topic, which is simultaneous equations. Then they start getting harder with equations such as y equals x plus 2 and x squared plus y squared equals 16. So at that point what you do is you get one of the values, so you could choose x or y. You'd be special if you choose x in this case, because y is obviously already isolated. So then it'd be x squared plus, and then you do this equation, you square it, so that'd be x squared plus 4x plus 4, and you'd put that down there, so that'd be x squared plus 4x plus 4, and you'd make that equal to 16. So then it would be 2x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Very simple, very easy. That's also meant to be a 0, that's not meant to be a 6 looking thing. So then you solve. So looking at this, I feel like we won't be able to substitute, so we shall complete the square. Plus 2x minus 12. So that is 2x plus 1 squared minus 1 minus 12. So that would be 2x plus 1 squared minus 2 minus 12 equals 2x plus 1 squared minus 14 equals 0. Simple. So then you would literally just like minus 1 plus or minus root 7. Simple. And that would literally be the answer. So that's how you do the quadratic simultaneous equations. And then there is the discriminant, so that is b squared minus 4ac. So that would be, so say you had the formula x squared plus 4x plus 7. To be able to check the amount of roots it has, what you would do is you'd use this formula, b squared minus 4ac, and then you would do 16 minus 4 times 1 times 7, and that would be 16 minus 7 over 28. It would equal minus 12. So the rules are, if the answer is less than 0, that means no real roots. If the answer is equal to 0, 1 real root or repeated roots. And if the answer was, and say if the answer was greater than, that would mean that there would be 2 real roots. That is literally all you need to know for chapter 3, I think. Yeah. Well, discriminant and simultaneous equations.